It's like, what is asynchronous communication? Well, it's pretty simple, actually. It's when two or more people communicate without the requirement that they are present at the same moment in time, right? So basically, the sender of the message can send that message without needing to worry about if the recipient or recipients are around to receive the message, right? The recipient has the ability to pick a time to read or to parse and interpret that message, right? So that's asynchronous communication. Some examples of asynchronous communication is like sending good old-fashioned mail in the mailbox, leaving a voicemail, right? Maybe originally you wanted to talk to them to speak in real time, but they weren't around, they weren't present, and so you left a voicemail, which they can then listen to at a time that makes sense for them. You then, some other examples is, writing a memo at work or writing a status report, right? You type it up, then you send it off to your boss or someone else, and they read it when they have time. Then what is synchronous communication then? Well, it's basically the exact opposite. So when two or more people communicate in a way that requires the presence. So the sender of the message and the recipient of the message need to be present at the same moment in time. So what this basically means is that it is not as flexible of a communication method as the asynchronous formats. Some examples of this could be a Zoom call, could be an in-person meeting in the conference room, and in many instances, workplace chat falls into this category. You technically could send a quick chat message and the person can read it when it makes sense for them. However, there is a kind of this built-in expectation in these tools that you respond right away.